Hello, welcome to You're Getting a What? Currently you're getting an oil change. Well, you're getting an oil change and fuel change. So we need Kawasaki original filter. That one there, which is lovely. Best to go with filter parts. I have, interestingly, I've got one sump washer, and also I've got a second sump washer, which, let's see, they're slightly different. They're the same aperture, but equally different sort of washers, but two people think that that's the right one. Sort of traders think that's the right one, and another trader think that that's the right one. This came with the filter. This was just an additional part I ordered off Webmotor. So interesting, which is right, we'll find out soon. So technically you can, if you can see this, you can technically get to the oil filter which is in there, the black thing. So sump plug, oil filter. Does the filter wrench work with the oil filter? And it does. It's a perfect fit. Right then. Well, it's only 17 Newton meters of torque that it should be attached by, so I don't think I need a breaker bar for 17 Newton meters. I think actually I can do that pretty much with a straightforward Dewberry. Okay. So left to Lucy, right to tighty. So it needs to go away from it. Always good to get that right. As you probably, oh no. Oh, okay, nice. Hang on. Right now. Okay. It's fully on. Okay, that's good. The oil filter turneth. The oil filter does turneth. Ha ha! God, for that, so many times I've had on cars filters just stick on. Oh, it's so good, such a relief. Good, we can actually do the oil change. Right, spanner. Equal spanner, equal socket, sorry. We're talking 12, is it 12 mil? I think it's a 12 mil socket on the sump. Nope, it's not a 12 mil. Could it be a 14 mil? Woohoo! Sump plug. Nope. It's gonna get me there. 16 mil, some. 16 mil, do you think? Almost. 17 mil. It is a 17 mil. Now I don't want to get this dirty. I don't want to use my spanners. To be fair, I can't want to use my spanners if it's going to get absolutely mucky dirty. 17 mil. As you see, you need quite a lot of gear to change on an oil filter, apparently. eBay. Get your tools, quality tools, second hand on eBay. Save a fortune. Okay, so. Oh, hang on. So basically, what I need to do, start the engine, warm the engine up slightly, so that actually when you start the engine, warm oil, the contaminants stick to warm oil better than cold oil. So I'm going to quickly run the bike very quickly. good. I like to fill the gouge with fumes, but that should be slightly warmer. Don't want it too hot, just warm enough. Right. Okay. I did order one of those special oil container things that has a collection pan and collects it all, and it's got the thing so you don't lose washers and stuff into it, but it didn't arrive on time. It's going to be delivered tomorrow apparently. Ordered it a week ago, so doing it with this, I want to get this done. It means I'm going to lose the bolt, sump plug bolt, and possibly the washer. We need a new washer anyway. I just want to have a look at the washer that's there, see which one of mine is correct. Okay, 17mm as we now know. So this is left, so left to Lucy. Okay, oh yeah. Okay, left to Lucy. Okay, left to Lucy, that's good. Oh shit, okay. Okay, here goes nothing. I've never done an oil change before, by the way. I'm slightly terrified. Okay, just unscrew the blue thing. Can you see from there? Sorry about the inversion. All out. Haha. Good, look at that. And I didn't lose anything, look at that. And I've got the sump plug. Which, okay, cool. Look indeed. And it's just warm. Just warmish, so it's not too bad at all. Oh, it's quite good. Didn't want it hot, just wanted it warm. And yeah, cool. Nice. Certainly used. Oil is 6,000 miles old. Book says do them every 7,000 miles, but don't do things every 6,000 miles. I know people do it a lot sooner, quicker, every sort of 3,000 some of them, but the manufacturers, you know what they're talking about. Kawasaki knows what he's talking about when it says 7,000. So every 6,000 miles I think is good maintenance. I really wish I brought some paper towels with me. Right, well that's about as entertaining as watching a oil drain out of an engine. Can I put you there? Yes, I can put you there. Aha. Right, I've now got one hand covering the oil, one hand holding the GoPro. Okay. Look at that. Cool. Like, it doesn't appear to be a washer. Still there? I didn't see a washer go in, did you? I didn't see a washer go in. Doesn't have a washer. Didn't hear a washer pop in. I'm going to watch the footage backwards, or watch the footage back, to see if, I don't think it dropped in. It doesn't have a washer. Huh. I think it could do with one. Could it do one? Oh, look at the manual. That's the main thing. Look at the manual. See what's going on there. Let's put the washer there. Up a bit more actually. It's definitely no washer there, is there? Of course, one thing I haven't gone with, I haven't bought the oil yet. Oh dear. I forgot to buy the oil. I'm sure there'll be, yeah, I'm sure. There's a motor discount place on my road. I'll go there. I'm sure they've got oil. To be honest with you, I thought the oil filter would have fused on or something. I thought I had massive problems. I didn't think it would be undo two things. I got the oil out, which is good, positive. So I didn't buy the oil. I'll go buy the oil now. It's fairly good, fairly important part. It looks well used, the oil, and well, engine must have burnt some off, but when I looked at the sight gauge, the sight glass, it was still on the full, and the oil was changed 6,000 miles ago. It must have used some oil. It must have done. Okay, so back with the oil, 10W 40 Castrol, nice and expensive. Oil's now finished draining off, which is lovely. It's going to take the oil filter off, and yeah, job's a good one. So let's just do that a second. Right, so here we go. We'll just do this. A carpet, a veritable carpet of this shit. I can't get my fucking hand. Come on. Can't get me. Can I just? Can I do it with it? No. No. Fine. That's what we're going to do. Have a fine layer of that. You're not doing that. I'm not doing this. Okay, here we go. Okay, that nicely released. There we go. Okay, come here. Go. Are we human or are we dancers? There we go. Okay. Hopefully you're getting all this. Look at that. Go. What's the bidding? I can't get my socket wrench or filter wrench off the filter. Interesting. Okay. This one. Right, so the washer thing, there, that's the old one, obviously, that's a new one. Can't see that the old one had any sort of a washer to it. When you compare them both sitting side by side, they don't look like they have. But the filter came with this. The filter came with that one. But then when I bought something else, when I bought the gloves and stuff, I was looking on Webmotor, and that had that as a as the part washer, crusher washer for the filter. So I'm not sure what to do now. I'm not sure what filter to put on there. I might as well put the new sump plug in, because this has seen bikes done 22,000 miles, so you know it's serviceable, but things are getting to be a little bit rounded off. So yeah, things are getting rounded off a little bit when you compare them, the two. So I put a new sump plug in, but I'm now not sure whether to put that in or that on, or nothing. I'll see what I say on the web forum. Okay, mystery solved. Yes, it's the big one. I just flicked off the end bit here. Hopefully you can see that. And the washer thing came off, so it is the big chunky one, which is fine, sensible. Right then, so dripping like a bastard still. Everything is. So then, oh, what a little catch! How lovely. Okay. What does it say? What does it say? Oh. It's jolly good. Little nozzle for. Okay. Okay then. I'm gonna have some spare stuff around here just to wipe up my gloves. So glad I bought these nitrate diamond gloves that otherwise do a bit of work and for the next few months. You're okay, here we go. Oh, this could go wrong, couldn't it? Oh no, it's not. Okay. Okay, so that's the very clean stuff. Another one of those, because just greasing up the gasket thing. Probably it's black, so you don't know whether it's greased or not. I'll do one more, I'm sure that is, but doesn't hurt. Do one more. Okay, there we are. Good. Gasket greased up. Put you back into there. So, okay, so what I'll do with you is we put you on. Okay. Don't want to cross thread anything, just to, there we go, just hold that there, and let's turn you so that you're, actually that's left to loosey, right to tighty. Right's what we want, isn't it? We want the right. Well, that's nicely caught, not cross threaded. That's good. Okay, so, and that is a new filter, isn't it? That's the new. That's the new filter. Good. Hello. Oh no. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake, here we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, I need now to get my torque wrench so we can then torque that up to 17. Here we go. Let's put you on there nicely. Right. So left to loosey, right to tighty. Left and then right. I'm holding the pivot point just so that I'm just putting pressure on the very top of the can and just feeling it very slowly to make sure the thread isn't being cross-threaded or anything like that. That's lovely. Goes on quite nice. Oops, a daisy. Oops, okay. Okay, that's interesting. And the top did slip off. Okay, that's gone up 14. My torque wrench only goes up to 14. This should be 17, so I'm just going to go a little bit more like there. I think that's going to be, yeah, I think it's going to be absolutely fine. Happy with that. That's going to be 17. Thereabouts. So the bolt itself, because this is where you forget to put the bolt in and shove the oil, the sump plug. Sump plug. If the filter is 17 newton meters of torque, I'm going to tighten up the sump plug to be 17 newtons of torque as well. Because that, yeah, that'll be fine. These are really handy actually. These things, got them off Amazon, and they change a quarter to a 3/8 and that sort of thing. There are some other sizes as well that I've got. £9 of Amazon make your actual torque wrenches talk to each other, which is very handy in terms of if you've got a this and this size. Then you need the adapter thing. You need the adapter. You need the adapter there to make that torque wrench, to make this torque wrench talk to the fittings for the 3/8 and these sort of things. About £9 of Amazon. You get quite a few actually. There's this other one I've got here, which is which goes the other way. You know. So fine. The top tip. Right, yep. Okie dokie. We'll start it off by hand, and we'll probably get very fucking messy in a minute. Stop dripping. Would you kindly just stop dripping? Stop thy drippiness. Fuck's sake. Okay, washer's flat. Washer's gonna be flat. Okie dokie. Okay, here we go. So if you're not sure, then move the bolt to the left always, and sort of left to loosey, but by moving it to the left you can position it so you're on the actual beginning of the thread. So when you move it to the left, you get this sort of just hold the bolt there, let's move it to the left, and you get that sort of clicky sound, which then means you can just start to, oops, so move it to the left slightly, move it to the left, there we go, and is that at the beginning of the actual bolt, of the actual thread, which it is. Always do these things by hand, which is lovely. That's going in nicely. The washer is there. The washer is there, isn't it? That washer is there. That's also sealing it now, which is lovely. It's actually sealing the bastard, which is lovely. Washer's there. It's going in nicely, and yeah, that you can feel that just slide in, which is beautiful. No cross threads there. Lovely. Putting the new bolt in because the other one's done 22,000 miles, and it's, you know, shaved up a little bit. Okay, so left to loosey, right to tighty. Right, so that way, coming towards me. Okay, yep. Okay, that's 14. This only goes up to 14, so it needs to be a little bit, I think there. Right, let us get a very new bit of this cloth, and all I want to do, I'm going to clear the sump plug with a bit of a wet wipe. I want to make sure that if I do see oil start to appear around the sump plug, that it's not the old oil that has come from this change, but that's new oil, and I need to do something about it. So that's why that's why the other decent method of doing this is so that actually you clean up, so that the oil that you are seeing. So there you have it. Yeah, all done. Big clean tomorrow, getting ready for the wash weekend, and then after that the NC500. Big clean, and going to bleed the brakes, front and rear, and then she'll be ready. Shove the panniers, shove the racks on for the give you panniers, fix panniers, and yeah, ready for the tour. Just got to then pack. Well, for the Wales it should be quite good, quite simple, straightforward. We're not camping, mind you, for the NC500 I'm not camping either, so yeah. So it's taking the rest of the day. I mean, I really next time should actually go and buy some oil before doing it, but fine. But yes, just taking the panels off, putting it back on. You've seen the time lapse, it just takes a while, doesn't it? To us non-professionals. Yeah, for sure. Anyway, yeah, tomorrow, bike clean, probably car clean as well. Bike clean, the brake bleed, then bike clean. I'll go for a ride first thing in the morning though. I need to get on the bike. Spend all the time working on them, and you forget that you can actually ride them sometimes. Cool. See you later.